the traditional part between like the blue-collar workforce and the engineers that optimize the process. That's not good enough for modern manufacturing anymore. You have this gap in the middle where the modern environment is so complex and flexible that the traditional blue-collar approach doesn't work anymore, and that's exactly the gap that we're trying to fill here. My name's Jens Hannemann. I teach computer engineering in the Department of Engineering Technology. I grew up in Germany, and my dad owned a car shop, and I've been working on cars ever since I was 12. And so for me, this is a dream come true. Welcome to the Automotive Computing Lab. We teach students communication systems on modern cars work. Everything's computerized, all the communication is networked and digital, and we introduce the students to the technologies around that. We use mostly the controller area network, which is called the CAN bus. Every car has a little outlet that you can plug in to get diagnostic information, but we'll take the car apart and do some additional stuff with it. The CAN bus is used in many different areas. It's called the controller area network. That's used in all sorts of complex process control. So medical industry, chemical industry, also of course the bourbon industry, controlling the fermentation process. So these days it's driven by digital technologies. It's just the way the modern world is and will evermore be. It grew out of the desire of Toyota to actually have the University of Kentucky teach the Toyota production system. We couldn't have done it without Toyota, and Toyota remains a big supporter in donating this vehicle to us and giving us all sorts of access to their intellectual property. It is just really incredible how much they helped us putting together this curriculum. Because this is manufacturing, there is a big difference between building a prototype, which traditional research engineers would do, or building something for mass production, low cost, adverse, non-lab environment, everyday environment, and getting things functioning in these kind of environments. That's the job that our engineering technology students will be doing for their employers in the industry. One of the things that I love about this program is not only that we're striving for a non-traditional approach, we're also, because of that, getting a lot of non-traditional students. And our students just absolutely blow me away in terms of their initiative, their desire to learn and everything. And it's just amazing.